Hey friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted messages of your WhatsApp. For example, if you send a message to anyone and you accidentally press a delete for everyone button on your WhatsApp messages and you didn't know what message you type here and you need to check which message I send here or not. So you can do it very easily. So without wasting any time, let's get into. So simply you need to install an application from Play Store. You need to click on Play Store, and from here you need to click on search bar and type here delete message WhatsApp. Here option is showing here, and you can click on deleted message WhatsApp, and you have an application here, what's delete recover messages. It's a 6.5 MB application, not a too large MB application. You need to click on this application, what's delete by the hex coders. So you need to install this application. I'll install it. So application is installed, so you need to click on open, and this application has been opened in a while. From here you need to press on continue button, and here it asks you to allow the background permission. You need to click on allow, and then you can go to, and now it's asked me to access our photos and media devices, so you need to allow this permission also. And from here you need to click on allow button also, and from here you can use this folder, press on use this folder button and allow this permission. And from here you need to click on continue, and then again click on continue and go to setting, and from here you need to click on what's delete, and here you need to allow notification access permission. You need to click on allow, and then come back, and where now application is starting. Now it asks you to which application you want to recover your messages. I choose WhatsApp application and then click on next, and from here you can close this. And here now you send messages to every chat, those all messages will be shown here. So I'll open my WhatsApp, and from here I'll open my WhatsApp, and I have a my own number. I'll send a message on this number, hey, how are you? Then I send this message. No, my message is sent, and I am testing you where I message my received. You can check here I send a message to another WhatsApp, and now it's showing me here. Now if I go to my application, this application, now the message I send is also showing me here, hey, how are you? So if I came back to my original chat and I press on delete for everyone, so I will press it and I press on delete, and from here I'll press on delete for everyone. So my messages has been successfully deleted from my both the end. And if I go to my another chat and my second WhatsApp, you see here this message is also deleted here. So when I go to my application, what's delete, now you see here my message is showing here. Even I delete my messages from WhatsApp, but still it's showing me here. From this method you can recover your WhatsApp messages very easily. I hope this video finds you helpful. If this video finds you helpful, then please hit a like button. Also subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you.